Valentine's Day is almost here, and as much as it is about showing your love and appreciation, it's also an occasion to gift your loved ones with something special. Well, LG has just sent us a very special package with what could turn out to be a great gift idea for Valentine's Day. Inside this box is the LG V30 in a gorgeous raspberry rose color. Translation for fellow men: it's pink, but it is the box itself that is specially arranged. This special version of the phone will be available in Europe and Asia in time for Valentine's Day, but it will ship in a regular box without the carefully arranged roses, ribbon and all the rest. I showed this to my girlfriend to get her opinion, and she was as much in love with the box as she was with the actual phone, so the way you package your gift does matter, gentlemen. With no further ado, let's unbox this special edition Raspberry Rose LG V30 and compare it to the other color versions, silver and violet. There is also a Moroccan blue version that we don't have on our hands. In the box: LG V30 Raspberry Rose, Quick Charge 3.0 charger, USB Type-C to standard day cable, warranty card, welcome guide, SIM tool, USB-C to USB OTG adapter, USB-C to microSP adapter, cleaning cloth. When you fire up the phone, you see the familiar LG interface running on top Android 8.0 Oreo, and this really is all the same beautiful flagship phone with dual cameras that do great for video and wide-angle shots, as well as the fast Snapdragon 835 system chip and gorgeous 6-inch OLED screen. Our particular unit came with 64GB of storage, but there could be 128GB versions out there as well. After using the phone for a while, we were reminded just how meticulously well done the design of the LG V30 is. It really is as elegant as an otherwise not small, 6-inch phone can get. This rounds up our quick look at the raspberry pink LG V30. Would your loved one enjoy such a phone as a gift? Or would you rather buy one for yourself? And what are your thoughts in general about phone companies making pink phones for Valentine's Day?